In this video, we will be showing you a general overview of the different tools and features you will get access to through our service. We hope this quick tour will give you an idea of all the value and endless possibilities that are made available to you. The dashboard displays important metrics and visual representations of information such as the pipeline value and the number of opportunities in the pipeline. If you scroll down, you will be able to view a list of tasks, manual actions, and a lead source report. The Social Planner tool allows you to manage all your social media accounts in one place. With this feature, you can save time by creating and scheduling posts all at once. You can also view your social analytics from across your Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Google My Business accounts. In the Form Builder, you can customize forms by dragging and dropping various form fields. You can also use custom fields to make forms that are best suited for your needs when adding leads into your system. Through custom CSS, you can stylize your form and make it look however you want to make it fit your style. The Email Builder allows you to completely customize high-quality email marketing messages. You can create and save templates to make your emails stand out using stylistic elements, images, and more. With all the features of the Email Builder, you can make your emails match your brand and enhance your contact's experience and impression of your business with high-caliber emails. In the Funnel Builder, you can build custom landing pages with the drag-and-drop customization feature. Through columns, sections, and rows, you can populate your page however you want. You can even use the menu element to build out full websites. With text blocks, buttons, images, forms, surveys, calendars, pop-ups, and even more, the Funnel Builder offers endless options for you to build the best funnel for your needs. The Builder also gives you the option to toggle between desktop and mobile views, so you can make sure your funnel page is up to snuff across all platforms. Once you've successfully captured leads, you can view their status in the pipeline. As you nurture leads through various tools, such as automations, you will be able to keep track of each lead's journey down the pipeline. With triggers, you can structure internal actions and processes that are fully automated. Once set up, triggers can easily move opportunities through the pipeline, add leads to campaigns, and much more. Through campaigns, you can automate communications with leads and build on your nurturing process. You can make use of SMS text messages, emails, auto phone calls, and voicemails. You can also use webhooks to connect data with outside softwares and services if needed. Workflows allow you to thoroughly customize your automation processes with the ability to combine various actions and triggers to create an automated system that's as robust as possible. With the Workflow Builder, you can easily visualize the path of your automation and make any changes or edits to your automated sequences. In the Contacts section, you can look through the entirety of your contacts and access their information. Additionally, by using the bulk action features, you can make various edits and changes to more than one contact record at the same time. If you need to make a pipeline change, add a tag, send an email, or add multiple contacts to a campaign, simply use the bulk actions to quickly and efficiently update your contact records. When leads reply to campaigns and other messages, the entire discourse for each contact will be viewable in the Conversations section. This section compiles all conversations from across all integrated platforms, such as Facebook, in order to better streamline the nurturing process. Whether it's an SMS or email, you will be able to easily respond to leads all from the same place. For booking appointments with your leads, you can create and customize calendars and embed them in your funnels. You can also integrate these calendars with Google or Outlook, whichever works best for you. Once a lead books an appointment, their meeting information will be recorded within the Appointments tab. Here you can view all upcoming appointments with leads, and you are also able to edit each meeting as needed. If you need to reschedule or delete a scheduled appointment, you can do so here. Within the Payments section, you can create and send invoices, manage orders and transactions, add products, set up taxes, and integrate both PayPal and Stripe as merchant processors. You can save time and work more efficiently by managing all payment-related aspects of your business in one convenient location. In this section, you can create your own custom membership site for your clients to access. The membership area allows you to easily create products and offers for your members to access and also provides analytics regarding your members' activity. Once you've generated leads, you can create review request templates through SMS and email to ensure a steady intake of reviews and feedback. You can include a link that opens to a Google review pane so that clients can easily leave a review. All they have to do is give a star rating, write a quick review, and click enter. To send a review request, you just have to click the Send Review Request button and enter the client's information. Once you have started receiving reviews, you can view a record of these reviews in the Reputation tab. You are also able to respond to each review directly from this tab without having to log in elsewhere or navigate out of the software. This was a super quick tour and overview of different options and tools you'll have at your disposal. There are so many different features we didn't get to explore, and there are tons of new tools being added all the time, so be on the lookout for cool new updates.